Are the winds and the market direction changing? What's up, everybody? Welcome aboard to Bubba's Daily Update for Friday, July the 24th. Markets are under a little pressure today. We're still long across the board. But again, I do notice some things from a charting point. We get some of these more wild, rapid moves up and down, which is many, many times an indication of a trend change. Again, we're not doing anything until Monday either way. It doesn't matter. But it wouldn't surprise me if we start to see a change. Again, hopefully we won't. But again, if we do, we do. Again, I'm just giving you a preparation for what may or may not happen. Again, there's nothing I'm going to do about it till at least Monday, okay? So I think you just have to understand how the market's functioning and these more wild moves, especially in the NASDAQ, up big, down big, up big, down big, even the same day, is usually a sign of a much bigger move coming. And many times, if it has trended dramatically, it's usually a potential reversal. But again, we'll see what happens. The metals continue to be, unbelievable. As gold was down lower, it suddenly spiked. It's up about $14 right now. It's been lower. It's been higher. Again, very wild. We would expect gold, silver, and platinum to consolidate now. In fact, that would be the best action we could ask for, is some consolidation here before resuming the uptrend. Markets don't go straight up. There should be, and hopefully there'll be, some real solid consolidation for a week or two, so that we're still long across the board, gold, silver, and platinum. So we'll see what happens. Crude, again, it's just kind of churning. Again, crude looks like it's getting ready to change direction too. Now, crude's pattern, unlike the NASDAQ, could go either way. Okay, they both go either way, but the crude is more. It's so narrow. The trading ranges have been so narrow. And it could still break out to the upside versus break down to the downside. We'll see. We're still long. It's marginally flat, we'll say today. The dollar getting beat up again. And of course, that to me, between the metals and the dollar, that tells me something's going on. There's going to be a news item somewhere soon. Copper is lower, and it's been very wild again, very similar to NASDAQ. Okay, very wild, and most likely, first of all, maybe a sign of what's going on, and secondly, a potential trend change. Natural gas is a little bit lower again, and we are obviously still short gas, long copper still. So again, I don't really look at the positions at the minute. I don't really care. I do trade minute to minute on a day trading model, which I'll be teaching tomorrow, having a webinar tomorrow. If you'd like to come, just email me at bubba@bubbatrading.com. It's futures day trading part-time. And of course, the grains, wheat is exploding, corn is a little bit higher, and soybeans are flat. So again, we are short bean, short corn, long wheat. So not bad. Again, I like corn. I'd love to buy it, and I will when it's time, but I'd like to buy it now. I'd like to buy beans now, but again, I will wait, for all of them to give me. Again, I always wait for the signals, and that's what I'm looking for and waiting for. Today, the most ridiculous report in history comes out again, cattle on feed, which comes out after the market closes, so that owners can sit there all weekend long and either try to be excited or be upset entire weekend. In the meantime, cattle's a little bit higher, and we expect it to continue to break out. Now, if I were going to tell you what the report was, I would say it'll be neutral bullish. Okay, so that's what the price action is telling us. Hogs, after having a nice run, are down about $1.50 right now. They can go either way from here, but again, they still have not changed. We're still short them, so we'll see what happens there. In the meantime, we did a great webinar with Family Farms the other day. You ought to check it out. A lot of fun, and really a great group of people. Love them. And don't forget about our brokerage partners, CTG for futures and commodities. A, they do a great job. B, they handle all of our letter of direction trading. And C, they've got some great new products. Check them out. The greatest customer service of any broker. And the one that's right next to it, our equities and options broker, is Tradier, who's got great customer service as well. It's $10 a month. Again, why would you want to give away money to someone else, okay, when you can get the same thing for less. That never makes sense to me, but of course we have their API, which means that as we automate our products, there'll be more and more automation, less and less for you to do. And again, great stuff, a great group. If you want information, either CTG or trader, email me at bub@bubbatrading.com. And just to disclose, I do have other brokerage accounts all over the place, so futures and equities, but those are the ones I choose to use the most. And of course, our commodity report, which Andy Heck not only talks about the physical commodities, but the ETFs that goes with them. You want to check it out. It's technimental at bubbatrading.com. Technimental. In the meantime, everybody, have a great weekend. Relax. Again, trade as you wish. Just always know your exit point. That's the only thing I can ever ask you. Know you're getting out if you decide to trade, so that you do not get roped into a big loser for no reason. Have a great weekend, everybody. Thanks so much. We'll see you Sunday with Bubba's Bottom Line. Have a good weekend.